Hello all, hello my dear friends. Today I am going to start my first lecture for the Calculus 2. The first lecture is related to Chapter 1, which is known as integration. Integration is nothing but its definition. Originally definition is integration is the reverse process of the derivatives. What is that means? I am going to tell you by steps that what is the meaning of integration is the reverse process of the derivative. If I have the derivative like d dx of cosine x, derivative of cosine x is minus sine x. This d symbol is nothing, we can say that d dx, we can write it like d of cosine x is equal to minus sine x, where this d stand as d dx, which is nothing but d is called differential operator. If we write like that, I mean d of cosine, if we write like that, cosine of x is equal to minus sine of x divided by d, or cosine of x is equal to minus d inverse of sine x. This d inverse, where d inverse is called integration. I mean it is denoted by this terminology. This is integration sign, and you need to write f of x function means a function means a term which you want to find the integration dx, and this one is called integration of fx function. Also this is called indefinite integral. Why it is called indefinite integral? Because of there is no such definite value of that one, so that's why it is called indefinite integral. So now I am using this symbol, d inverse means integration, so I am using this symbol here as cosine of x is equal to minus integration of fx, means here fx means sine x and dx. So integration of sine x means integration of minus sine x is equal to cosine x, so that we can write it like that in a proper way. That means integration of sine x dx is equal to minus of cosine x plus c, where this c is called integration constant. This constant is arbitrary constant. Arbitrary constant means when you want to write any value, suppose if you want to write c is equal to 0 sometimes, 1, minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. That's why it is called c is integration constant, which is arbitrary. Arbitrary means whatever you want you can put in place of c, and because of c, which is arbitrary, that's why this integration is called indefinite integral. I mean, just I am repeating again, if the integration is written as like that one, this means that one you need to find the integration of fx with respect to x. So this is called indefinite integral. This is called indefinite integral. On the basis of that one, I mean on the basis of the reverse process of the derivative, I can write many rules by using this. That means if I say d dx of tan x, so d dx of tan x means sec square x. So use the opposite, so that integration of sec square x dx is nothing but it is equal to tan x plus c. Similarly, if I say that d dx of tan inverse of x, then it is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. So use the opposite, I mean use the reverse process of that one, so that integration of dx divided by 1 plus x square is this one, I mean tan inverse of x plus c, tan inverse of x plus c. And although we people know that derivative of, I mean d dx of sec x is equal to sec x tan x, so that integration of sec x tan x dx is nothing but it is equal to sec x plus c. Similarly, we can say that d dx of csc of x is equal to minus csc of x cotangent of x. So using the reverse process of that one, therefore the integration of csc of x cotangent of x dx is equal to minus csc of x plus c. Why I am writing here minus? Because of I am using here plus terminology, so that integration of csc of x cotangent x, this minus will shift here by using the simple type of algebra. Now by using this concept, I am just giving to few important rules which we will use for the integration. The first rule is integration of x to the power n is x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. This is first rule. Rule number 2, similarly, integration of 1 divided by x to the power n dx, we can write it as x to the power minus n dx, and then see that one in place of plus n it is minus n, so we can write the integration of that one as x to the power minus n plus 1 divided by minus n plus 1 plus c. That means how we will use this type of things, inshallah I will try to show you. Now by using that concept, I am just giving you in some integration. First type of integration, which is called as term by term integration. Term by term integration. Term by term integration. This is first and easy type of terminology which we have to use for getting the integration by using term by term. So before going to start, what is the meaning of term by term? Just I want to tell you that if any function is given as fx is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So mathematically this is called first term. This is called first term. This is called second term. And this is called third term. This is called third term. So I am going to use this terminology here, integration by term by term. What is that means? I am giving you one example, that evaluate the integration, find the integration of x power 3 plus 7x plus 8 dx. So what is that means, term by term integration? Term by term integration means you need to integrate this term, I mean this first term, you need to integrate this term, you need to integrate this term. So before going to start, just I want to tell you that before writing the solution of that one, I just want to write this one as x power 3 plus 7x plus 8 multiplied by x to the power 0. Why I am writing that one into dx? Why I am writing that one? Because of we know that one, the value of x to the power 0 is 1. So 8 multiplied by x to the power 0, that means 1 is 8. So there is no effect of, if I write here x to the power 0, then there is no effect, but I will get the answer very easily. I will get the answer very easily. So just I am going to solve by using step-by-step terminology, that use that integration of this one by using this one, x to the power n plus 1, x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, n is equal to 3. So I am writing directly the integration of x power 3 means x to the power 4 by 4 plus 7 x power 1 means x to power 2 divided by 2 plus 8, x to the power 0 plus 1 means x to the power 1 divided by 1 plus integration constant. This is the integration of that one. This is the integration of this example, which we will use as integration by term. Now this type of questions we will. Now just I am giving to you that how can I evaluate this integration of x root of x dx. So no problem, we can use that one. This is called square root. We can write it, if I want to solve this one, we can write it like integration x root means x to the power half dx. So now check that one. X to the power half means in place of n, it is given as n is equal to half. It is given in this question n is equal to half. What you have to do? Now simplify it. X to the power n plus 1, that means half plus 1 divided by half plus 1 plus integration constant, or we can write this step as x to the power half plus 1 means 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus c. Or if you want to write another simplification, this 2 coming up, so you can write it 2 by 3 and x to the power 3 by 2 plus c. This is the answer of that question when the term is given as, function is given as x root. Now I am going to take another example. If it is given as like, if the question is given as another example, if the question is given as 1 divided by 5th root of x dx, then again we do not know, but by using the algebraic way we can simplify it. If I write this one as, see that one, 1 divided by x to the power 1 by 5 dx, we can write x to the power 1 by 5. Now simplify it. Write it x integration of x to the power minus 1 by 5 dx. Now see that one, if I am going to use the rule here, n is equal to given minus 1 by 5. So use that. So we will get the answer of this one, x to the power minus 1 by 5 plus 1 divided by 1 by 5 minus plus 1 plus c. Simplify it. Minus 1 by 5 plus 1 means minus 1 plus 5, that means x to the power 4 by 5 divided by 4 by 5 plus c, or we can simplify it 5 by 4 x to the power 4 by 5 plus c. This is the answer of that one. Hopefully you people understand. So this is about that question.